globally speaking, these results are extremely good. Plus 10.2% for the first quarter, which means in fact plus 5% compared to 2019. It's a very good quarter. Maybe some analysts were expecting an even bigger miracle from us. So we cannot always deliver miracles. We try, but we do our best. Regarding the consumer division, it's very simple. It's really explained by the fact that the makeup category is still weak because of all the reasons we know. And this division is really the champion in the world for makeup. And as long it represents more than 30% of its business, and as long as makeup will stay weak, it's going to be difficult for this division to bounce back. But the good thing is that we see in several countries now, in all the countries, in fact, where vaccines have made a real progress, that the makeup market is bouncing back very strongly, plus 30, plus 40%, like in Israel, like in Australia, and like, for example, also in the US, where the latest 2 weeks, we saw a huge acceleration of our makeup sales. So we are very confident, and this division will bounce back also very, very surely in the next quarters.
One positive story in your first quarter numbers was really your performance in China, with sales up almost 38% there. Do you see this just as a catch-up effect from the first quarter from last year, where really the country was in the middle of the pandemic? Or do you see this as a trend that can continue, or how sustainable do you see that growth going in China?
Well, I see it both ways. Number one, it's clearly a bounce back effect due to the fact that the first quarter in China was the only a little bit weaker quarter of the year. But also I see it as the continuation of a very strong dynamism that we have in China. You remember that in 2020, we grew 28% in China, the market itself that was only at plus 6%. So in fact, we are on a strong momentum. We are gaining shares at a very high speed on 4 divisions: on luxury, on consumer, on active cosmetics, on professional, and the story continues. So we see China again this year, and probably for many more years, as a great growth story for L'Oréal.